Starlink is the hottest business that is in high demand now. Many people today have ventured into this business and they are making a lot of money for themselves. On this video, I want to share with you how you can start this business and thank me later. If you are interested in this business, you need to watch this particular video to the end and thank me later. Before I go further, I want you to understand the reason why this Starlink is in high demand. As you can see, almost everybody is using phone, and the same way almost everybody is buying data. I will tell you based on my own experience, Starlink is more faster than data, and anybody who understands Starlink, we know that Starlink is more easy to use than buying data. You can buy data any amount now. Before you know it, it will finish without you even using it. Sometimes network will not allow you to manage your data, but Starlink is not like that. Quality Starlink, original Starlink is not like that. It's always strong. Right now, that is what I am using. Before you suggest to start this business, here are the things you must know. You need to understand that good location beats everything. The most important thing you need is good location. For example, marketplace, school area, small town, village that have where people gather every evening. It's very important to know all this. After you know all this, here are how you can make your profit from this business. For example, this is the Starlink. After you buy your Starlink, here is how you can start making your profit. You will subscribe your Starlink. If you are in Ghana, you will subscribe your Starlink a month, 700 Ghana cedis, unlimited 700 Ghana cedis. Now there will be a place where you will generate code. The code will be any amount, any number of the code you want. You will print it out. If you want 100, if you want 200, it depends on you. It's unlimited. Now after you print out the code, you can be selling the code 25 cedi, 10 cedi and the 5 cedi. So now after you print all the code, it depends on you to know the one that people are buying fast. Maybe in my area, for my own side, I always buy 25 cedis, which is 7 days. So in your own area, maybe people might like buying 10 cedis on. People might like buying 5 cedis on. But here is another thing you must understand. 5 cedi lasts 2 hours. Which means that if somebody buy 5 cedi now, after 2 hours, the person need to buy another one. 10 cedi on last for 24 hours, which means a day. A day. It means that if somebody buy 10 cedi on now, in 12 o'clock today, 12 o'clock tomorrow, it will expire. Automatically, it will just expire. The person need to go and buy another one. So it means that every 24 hours, somebody who is purchasing 10 cedis on will be buying from you every 24 hours. The person who is buying 5 cedi on will be coming to you every 2 hours. The person who is buying 25 cedi, which is 7 days, will be coming to you every one week. How the good location you find yourself is what matters. If you have population, before you know it, you will finish your ticket. And for example, now if you print your ticket 2,000 Ghana cedis, and what you subscribe the Starlink is 700 cedis, minus 700 cedis from 2,000, the rest is your profit. The rest is your profit. You can subscribe your Starlink 700 cedis and the print ticket 5,000. As long as you finish selling the ticket within that 1 month. As long as you finish selling your ticket, you are making your profit. The list is your profit. You just minus 700 from the list. Do you understand what I'm saying? What matters is good location. Beat everything. Now here is how you can buy the Starlink. Because of say I am not selling the Starlink, and if you want me to start selling the Starlink, drop it on the comment section. Just say yes, I want you to start selling the Starlink. I am interested. If people that is interested is much, I will get Starlink for you people. I will send to you. I will send it to direct to your location. But if I don't have people that is interested, I cannot sell it. Understand this. So now, if you want to buy this for yourself, go to ChatGPT. Let ChatGPT know say that you want to start selling, you want to start Starlink business. ChatGPT will explain things to you. You will read everything, and let ChatGPT know that you want the Wi-Fi or Starlink that more than 100 people can connect. ChatGPT will show you. You will now ask ChatGPT, how can you buy it? Any other question you can ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT will direct you, give you where you can buy, show you the quality one. If you have any other question, you can ask on the comment section. I will reply you. If I don't have any answer to that, you can use ChatGPT to do your personal research. So how did you see this video? If it's helpful to you, don't forget to drop your comment. Right, thank you so much for this information on the comment section. My name is still Imenchi the Sure Cash. Don't forget to follow me, subscribe, and see you on my next video. I don't know if you watch this particular video to this level, but if you do so, I really appreciate. Thank you so much.